It's time to get up. It's a 24-hour car challenge.
Babe, no.
Love, you rock my world. Can you give me that?
When I say Jatie, you say fam. Jatie! Jatie! Oh, this is awkward.
When I say Jatie, you say that.
Jatie!
Fam.
Jatie!
Fam.
What's good, Jatie fam?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name, no.
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 My turn to talk.
No.
If you guys are new here, you guys are
Nope,
new
nope,
fam.
nope.
And who are you? Who are you? Tell me who you are.
I am Katie Betzing. Follow me on Instagram.
It's your boy Josh. It's just your boy Josh.
Yeah, that was really hype.
What's up, guys?
But anyway, today's video is gonna be so exciting. Tell them I.
It's not gonna be exciting. Like, we're literally gonna sit in a car for 24 hours, or we're gonna try. It's called a challenge because, like, we might not be able to do it.
But like, can we show them my new shoes?
Oh, what are those? What are those?
Look at my chocolates.
Look at my chocolate.
Sick, bro. Sick,
Thanks, bro.
nasty, bro.
What did you tell me we were gonna do? Because I'm so ADD and I
Guys,
just those.
like I said, we're doing the car challenge, 24 hours in a car challenge.
What
But
that mean? What
before
that mean?
So before that, we had to get our like energy out because we got lots of energy, and we went to the gym and we like ran around. We did jump squats. We did jump lunges. We pushed sleds.
Wait.
What else did we do? Tell them.
Wait.
Gym life. Gym life.
Oh yeah. We go get some gains. I was gonna say.
Gains.
Why we are so energetic right
Why
now?
are we so
We
energetic?
actually had way too much pre-workout after the gym.
Yes.
Yeah, so we did a lot today, and now we're gonna start this little challenge.
We also we went to a podcast. We talked
We did some,
talked
talking.
we talked and we talked and we did some more talking and yeah. Check out the podcast.
That's me talking.
Yeah, that's her talking. She was talking.
Not a little
lot.
baby
Like, she's
shark,
talking about-
baby shark.
Ah! Tell me about what we got going on. You know, the little thing and
Oh, that like AirPod giveaway where
Yeah,
you
that
guys
AirPod
subscribe,
giveaway.
click the notification bell, and follow us on the IG that you can win.
Guys, we just hit 300,000 subscribers, and we already almost had 310,000 subscribers,
Woo!
which means we're like almost at 1 million subscribers. So join the Jatie journey before it's too late.
But guys, let's just give you a little cute cart tour. Cart tour?
Cart?
Car tour. She just got washed. Her name is Smokey. Well, his name is Smokey Malone. So this is my Jeep. This is Josh's car. He thinks it's like really like nice and stuff, but.
Rudy. Guys, Katie was like, before we do this, we gotta clean your balls out of my car.
When you turn 5, like what? No. All right, guys. So right now we're headed to Target because you know what?
What?
We are gonna be stuck in the car for 24 hours, so we need to get some essentials. We need stuff to entertain us, just anything and everything. So we're going to the one and the only
Target.
But yeah, this is not a brand deal.
They got a Starbucks here, guys.
That's not a brand deal either.
But first things first, guys.
We have something really important we need to do.
What?
Very important things, guys. Very
important.
Cake pops always.
All right, we gotta get these just in case we gotta go to the bathroom.
Babe, no, and those are swaddles, those aren't even diapers.
They look like diapers.
You're gonna be a great dad one day. If you guys want to see what he's gonna be like when I'm pregnant, go check out the pregnancy video.
Check it out. I'm ready for the beach. Oh.
All right, guys, we need something to entertain us. No, I want this one, Josh.
It'd be so cool.
I wanted that one. In case we need a little pump in the car, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
We're getting this for real.
No.
It's 24 hours.
That is expensive.
We gotta work out every day. Come on.
No.
Just in case things get crazy in the car, you never know. If Katie B's driving, I'm ready. I'm protected. We're good to go. All right, guys. Just in case we get robbed in the car, I will defend us. I got us.
Jeez. We should
Babe,
grab like what?
Babe, April showers bring May flowers. Want some? Psych, nah. All right, babe.
I will miss you.
Goodbye, ground.
Outdoors.
Goodbye.
Freedom. I gotta get my energy.
Goodbye, freedom. Babe, are you
Really
ready?
windy.
24 hours starts.
No.
In 3,
Me too.
and 1.
But first, we gotta like adjust the car. So come back
Oh,
here.
I might not make it. Jatie fam, I just want to say,
Get in! Get in
if
the
I
car.
don't make it out,
Get in
I
my
love
car.
you guys.
Hey, no, this is not get up. Get in.
Lock us in. Start the 24 hours.
We're in. It's hot.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi,
We should've rolled
3
down the window.
Mississippi. All right, Jatie fam, it's been what, 10 minutes?
If it's been like 8.
I'm not a fan at all. This is horrible.
I'm hot. I
This
didn't
is like
pack a t-shirt underneath.
this is
so-
like probably the best car ever to do this. It's a Jeep. We got like the middle seat down, so we're just kind of sitting chilling. But we're both like we don't have ADD, but we get bored fast.
We like, it's not even that. It's like we have to be like active and moving. And we're right now in Target parking lot, and this is where we're gonna start it. And then later we might drive if we get bored to like his. Like,
We don't know.
His house.
We don't know.
We'll see.
We'll find out.
Do you want protein?
Protein? She's sleeping. Here, dicky. Here, dicky. Oh, there's my girl. Oh,
What are you
yes.
doing? Stop.
Go back to bed, you kid. Good morning! Wake up! Wake up!
Stop! What are you doing?
It's time to get up. It's a 24-hour car challenge!
Hey, no!
Ah! Get hype!
Jesus, I feel like I have a heart attack. No one can be woken
What's
like
up,
that.
JD fam? All right, we back. We back. KDB back.
Wait.
What?
There's something on your face. It's this! How do you like it?
Yo, if people are walking by at Target, they probably got some questions.
What if like a cop came?
They got
and,
a
like
noodle.
doing some back
They're laying down in the back seat. What they doing back there? It's probably shaking. Luke.
I am your father. He gone. Don't finish her.
I'm alive.
Alright guys, a little update. All we can do is eat. That's like all we want to do. Alright, go over there, let's do minutes. It's hot! Alright guys.
Round 1, baby. It's time to get that workout in.
What do you mean? I'm sweating, my hair's
Logan
up.
Paul, what's good, homie? You don't want this work.
Honestly though, you would kick him.
Guys, I'm trying to fight Logan Paul, and I'm gonna beat him up.
Go
and-
comment on his Instagram.
Yeah, go comment on his Instagram. Let him know I'm trying to fight him.
We out here practicing. Even when we're grinding,
Yeah.
we're practicing.
Even
you
on
know?
the vlog, baby.
Okay, ready?
Catch. Oh, are you Logan Paul? Are you Logan Paul? Are you Logan Paul? Oh my god. Ah! Oh, come here. Oh my god, baby.
He hurt my guys. He almost broke my nail.
Girlfriend, come here. Oh, babe. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
I'm not Logan Paul.
Oh, you're not. No, you're much better looking.
Well, that's not saying much. Jesus. Update, guys. What time is it? It's like 5 o'clock now.
It's been a couple hours. Things are getting crazy.
Yeah.
So we decided to drive to my house, and now it's gonna be lit. I'm hopefully gonna get Tam, my mom, to bring me a Nutella sandwich
We'll
because I'm
see.
craving it, and I can't get out of the car to go inside and get it. Stay tuned to see if I get my Nutella, because if not, I'm going crazy, and Katie's going down.
Ew, who parked their piece of crap car?
Helga.
Alright guys, so we moved to his house and now we're back in the back seat.
Mom doesn't feel good, so she didn't bring me a Nutella sandwich. I'm pissed. Katie farted. It smells like fart. I'm hungry.
Well, at least
Everything's
now
going downhill.
we're getting some work done.
Yeah, so now here I am editing yesterday's vlog, where she ignored me for 24 hours, not to sit here and edit it.
No, I know. English is really hard. Like it really is.
No, I know.
But you know what I'm gonna do while he's working? Oh, we going. What's the saddest thing? There's more in there, right?
Here's my 5-year-old girlfriend, guys. Good thing we brought a ball.
This is looking so fun.
You're such a kid. Oh my god. Yeah, some of us work and then some of us do what she's doing.
What the I hate this. This is Can we please quit? Can we quit early?
Babe, we're not quitters, alright?
Dude.
JD Vlogs is gonna do the 24-hour challenge together.
No, my butt and my back hurt so bad. Can we just show them real quick? What I'm.
You want to show them your butt real quick?
Yeah, look at this. Look at what I'm laying on. Come here, JD fam. Look at this. That is what I'm laying on. That metal right there. No, what is that? I don't care. Update, guys. It's getting darker. It was pouring rain earlier, and we gotta get the light because it's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
Oh, we also forgot to tell you guys, we did cheat.
Well, we had to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, I mean, not like cheat, like we were only allowed, we literally gave each other a break. So we each got 2 breaks. I've used one of mine, Josh has used one of mine, and we literally like tag team, we'll just run inside and pee and then come back and that's it.
And here we are. We're honestly bored. But
we gotta put the light on first. Okay, BRB. All right, guys, we brought the light out.
Who needs sunshine when like you are the light? That was supposed to be a bad joke. That was a joke.
Anyway,
that was a joke. Off a joke.
Guys, I feel like we look so bad.
I feel like I'm slap happy because I've been sitting in a fucking car forever.
My body hurts.
Oh.
I feel like my farts stink because all I've been drinking is protein.
Farts always stink. Like,
all I've been drinking is protein and popcorn.
Do not be fooled.
Babe.
Don't call me out, alright?
That was so gross. Don't fart.
JD fam. Alright, it's time to fucking work out because 24 hours, I can't go a day without working out.
We worked out this morning.
I can't go a day without working out. It's been like 10 hours.
Don't crush my protein shakes.
Ugh.
Stop.
I don't have enough room. Alright, babe.
Yeah.
Gotta go work out in. It's dinner time. Let's go. Crack one of these bad boys.
Cheers.
Open. Cheers.
Jesus.
Oh my god. JD fam, it's 3 a.m. You know what, babe? Wake up. Katie, wake up. Babe, wake up.
Stop.
It's time to wake up. We're ending this challenge.
No.
We're not I can't fall.
Oh, babe, stop. What are you doing?
Is the light hurting your eyes? I can't fall asleep, babe. No, take the camera. I'm out.
I literally just fell asleep. What are you doing?
That sucks. We ending this challenge. You can finish it by yourself. I'm not sleeping in the car. JD fam, call me weak, call me what you want. I can't do it. You sleep in the back of a Jeep. It's not comfy. I'm bigger than you. It's not comfy.
Babe, I literally just finally fell asleep.
I don't care. Look at me. I need sleep. I need beauty sleep.
Yeah, your eye does look really slow.
I need beauty sleep.
Look at me. I need beauty. I was.
It's true. I mean, you always could use some beauty sleep, but like, I can't do it. I'm out.
Babe, don't.
I'm out. I'm ending the challenge.
Alright, well, I'm not, because I'm a woman of my word.
I bet. You can sleep in your car. It's locked.
You gotta
out of
it
here.
Babe, I finally just fell asleep.
That sucks. We out.
Wait, no, please don't leave me. I really don't want to do this by myself, but we have to finish this. Babe, come on.
I'm out.
Alright, guys, we suck. I convinced
her to quit. No.
No, I convinced him to stay for like another 10 minutes. We've been talking. We can't do it. We suck. This is too hard. I don't know if people actually do this, but like, frick, like I can't actually do this.
If people that actually do it for 24 hours, you're lying. I'm calling you out because you can't. You're not sleeping in the back of a car. You're not doing it.
My body hurts.
My butt hurts.
My makeup's like so crusty.
You look crusty.
Just to call me crusty crab, honestly.
Alright, but with that being said, it's time to go get some sleep because it's like 3:10 now and I'm tired. I'm tired. I didn't go to my bed.
Jesus, it looks like I have a black eye because my makeup's all over. Anyway, I need to go take my makeup off.
JD fam, you know what to do. Enter to win that AirPod giveaway. Subscribe, like the video, and follow us on the gram. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next vlog, baby. You gotta throw your punches. Throw your punches, babe. I'm trying to go to bed. Throw your fucking punches, babe, please. I'm trying to go to sleep. 1 second.
Okay. Smokey Malone, we out.
Yeah. We're free. Freedom. Freedom. I'm never going in your Jeep again, ever. Ever.
Ice cream?
Huh?
Want to go get ice cream?
Shoot, let's go.
Me a little closer.